adventurer with a little bit of pixie dust often find themselves on a magical journey that can sometimes even be menacing. And although it may seem like we're traveling to the jaws of Monstro the whale, the very same whale that swallowed Pinocchio, we're actually just being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. And of course our story starts with a once upon a time, or in this case a big bad wolf who lives in the cave over on my left hand side. He's always chasing after those three little pigs who live right across the way in those three houses, and one made out of straw, one made out of stick, and one made out of guaranteed wolf-proof brick. And just around the river bend near an quaint English village, home of Alice, for one golden hour, she was chasing a white rabbit and fell down, down, down into Wonderland, only for things to become curious and curious again. And over on my right we have London Park, where Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling first flew to Neverland with the help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust, where they never ever had to grow up. The city of mystery and enchantment, where a street rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. And although the two are from different worlds, with the power of love and a little help from a genie, they were married and still reside in the Sultan's palace today. Though most stories are filled with love and light, they do have their dark places, places of mystery like the Cave of Wonders up ahead. This treasure bears a curse that can only be lifted by setting the genie of the lamp free. And rumor has it, if we make a wish as we pass through, it just might come true. When Snow White fled the evil queen, she encountered a cozy cottage off on my right-hand side, where she now resides with the 7 dwarves. And Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her wicked stepmother forbade it, casting her away in that blue chateau's roof on my left-hand side. Her fairy godmother granted her wish though, but she couldn't make it back home in time before midnight, so her carriage turned back into a pumpkin, and it's still sitting atop that hill today. There is magic everywhere here in Storybook, even in our miniature plants, which are all 100% real, and will never ever have to grow up. We have stories like The Winds of the Willow with Moira and Mr. Toad, who live over on my left-hand side. Though it doesn't seem like anybody is home right now, they're probably off on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. And of course we have stories of magic like that of air and Elf, so Elsa fled to her icy tower atop the hill. Her sister Anna refused to let her go. And up ahead in Alpine Village, a woodcutter named Geppetto wished for his puppet to become a real boy. And after Pinocchio saved him from the belly of the wild monster, the Blue Fairy granted that very wish. And wishes are a part of so many stories, like that of Little Mermaid named Ariel, who wished to live with Prince Eric in the castle on my right-hand side. She gave up her life under the sea and became part of a wolf. And as our storybook comes to an end, we're going to approach the dock. I ask that you please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and fingers inside the boat at all times. And please remain seated, my friends. I'm going to count to 3, and we're all going to stand up at the very same time.